In today's dynamic YouTube landscape, niche channels have emerged as a powerful force, allowing creators to connect with specific audiences and cultivate dedicated communities. These channels focus on specialized topics, enabling content creators to stand out in a crowded marketplace. As viewers increasingly seek tailored content that resonates with their interests, niche channels provide a unique opportunity for creators to engage deeply with their audience. Niche YouTube channels are specialized content platforms that focus on specific topics or interests, distinguishing themselves from general channels that cover a broad range of subjects. By honing in on a particular niche, creators can cater to a targeted audience, fostering a sense of community and engagement that is often lacking in more generalized content. This focused approach allows niche channels to build loyal followings, as viewers are more likely to subscribe and engage with content that aligns closely with their interests. The Tube Mastery and Monetization 3.0 program is designed to equip aspiring YouTubers with the tools and knowledge necessary to thrive in this environment. Participants can expect to learn a variety of monetization strategies that are crucial for turning their passion into profit. This includes insights on how to effectively leverage ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and merchandise sales, all tailored to their specific niche. By understanding these strategies, creators can maximize their earning potential while staying true to their content vision. Selecting a profitable niche for YouTube is a crucial step for aspiring creators aiming to maximize their earning potential. One effective way to identify high CPM, cost per meal niches, is to focus on topics that attract advertisers willing to pay more for ad placements. To do this, consider areas such as finance, technology, health, and personal development, as these often have higher CPM rates due to their lucrative markets. Additionally, tools like Google Trends and keyword research platforms can help gauge interest levels and competition within various niches, allowing creators to pinpoint opportunities that align with their expertise and audience demand. Setting up a YouTube channel for success involves several essential steps that lay the groundwork for effective content creation and audience engagement. First, creators should start by signing up for a YouTube account and selecting a channel name that reflects their niche and resonates with their target audience. Once the account is created, it's crucial to optimize the channel by filling out the profile information, including a compelling channel description that outlines the content, focus, and value proposition. Additionally, creators should utilize relevant keywords to enhance discoverability in search results. Creating engaging video content is essential for capturing audience attention and fostering viewer loyalty. The anatomy of successful viral videos often includes several key elements: a compelling hook, relatable storytelling, high-quality visuals, and a clear call to action. The hook should grab viewers' attention within the first few seconds, enticing them to watch further. Relatable storytelling helps to create an emotional connection, making the content more memorable. High-quality visuals, including good lighting and clear audio, enhance the overall viewing experience, while a strong call to action encourages viewers to engage, whether by liking, commenting, or subscribing. Uploading and optimizing videos on YouTube is a critical process that can significantly impact a channel's visibility and engagement. To ensure that each video reaches its full potential, creators should follow a comprehensive checklist during the upload process. This checklist includes selecting an eye-catching thumbnail, writing a compelling title that incorporates relevant keywords, and crafting a detailed description that outlines the video content, while also including keywords for better searchability. Additionally, creators should add relevant tags to help categorize the video and improve discoverability. Enabling closed captions can enhance accessibility, while adding the video to appropriate playlists can encourage viewers to watch more content from the channel. Growing a YouTube channel requires a strategic approach that leverages analytics, understands the platform's algorithm, and employs effective content strategies. Understanding YouTube analytics is crucial for creators to gauge their performance and make informed decisions. Key metrics to focus on include watch time, audience retention, and click-through rates. By analyzing these metrics, creators can identify which videos resonate most with their audience and adjust their content strategy accordingly. Additionally, understanding the algorithm helps creators optimize their videos for better visibility. YouTube favors content that keeps viewers engaged, so focusing on creating high-quality, engaging videos is essential for growth. Monetizing a YouTube channel can be achieved through various strategies, allowing creators to generate income while sharing their passions. One of the primary methods is through YouTube ads, which are facilitated by the YouTube Partner Program. Once a channel meets the eligibility requirements, creators can enable ads on their videos, earning revenue based on views and clicks. The amount earned can vary significantly depending on factors such as audience demographics and engagement levels. Additionally, affiliate marketing presents another lucrative opportunity. By promoting products or services in their videos, and including affiliate links in the description, creators can earn commissions on sales generated through those links. This strategy works particularly well when creators align their affiliate products with their content niche, enhancing authenticity and viewer trust. Scaling a YouTube channel through outsourcing can significantly enhance productivity and allow creators to focus on strategic growth. One of the first steps in this process is to hire content creators who align with the channel's vision and style. To effectively manage a team, it's essential to establish clear communication channels and set expectations from the outset. Regular check-ins and feedback sessions can help ensure that everyone is on the same page and working towards common goals. Utilizing project management tools can help you to streamline collaboration and keep tasks organized. In summary, we've explored the significant advantages of niche YouTube channels and how the Tube Mastery and Monetization 3.0 program can empower creators to thrive in this competitive landscape. Niche channels allow creators to connect deeply with specific audiences, fostering loyalty and engagement that general channels often struggle to achieve. By focusing on specialized topics, creators can stand out, attract dedicated viewers, and ultimately enhance their monetization potential. The Tube Mastery program provides a structured approach to building and monetizing a successful channel, offering invaluable resources such as checklists, templates, and community support that streamline the learning process and foster growth. As you consider your journey on YouTube, we encourage you to take action. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on growing your YouTube presence. Don't forget to like this video and share it with others who may benefit from these strategies. Your support helps us reach more aspiring creators and build a community of success. Additionally, we invite you to explore related content on our channel that delves deeper into specific aspects of YouTube growth, monetization strategies, and content creation techniques. Taking the next steps in your YouTube journey can be transformative, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Whether you're just starting or looking to scale your existing channel, the resources and community available through the Tube Mastery program can provide the support you need to achieve your goals. Embrace the opportunity to turn your passion into a profitable venture, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Your success on YouTube is within reach, and we're excited to see what you will create. Grab your copy today in the description down below.